For DPA today, we're going to get active in the hall, but first we're going to get warmed up in the classroom. But even before we do that, we're going to discuss what it looks like to participate actively. So whether we're in the gym, in the classroom, in the hallway, what does it look like to demonstrate active participation? So you have 1 minute to conference with your group. What does it look like to participate actively? Following group discussions, consider having groups share the responses with the class. Consider recording correct responses on poster paper for future reference. So now we have some ideas on how to be active. We're actually going to put those ideas in motion and we're going to get active with our warm-up. So what I need you to do is to stand up, push your chairs in, and let's get active. Home and away pregame. Divide students into 2 teams, home and away. The teacher calls out an action that the team might perform in a pregame warm-up. The home team performs that action while the away team performs pogo jumps. After 20 seconds, the teams switch activities. Each time the action is called, the home team performs the action first, the away team performs pogo jumps, and after 20 seconds, the home and away teams switch actions. With each new action, the actions should increase in intensity, gradually increasing their heart rates. Prior to the activity, inspect activity area for safe traction and eliminate potential hazardous conditions. Outline the boundaries for the activity, keeping a safe distance from walls and obstacles. Remind students to be cautious when moving and to be aware of their personal space. So we're going to continue with our active participation, but we're going to move it into the hallway for our quick power circuit. So what I need you to do is to stand up, to quietly push your chair in, and we're going to go out in the hall where you'll find your stations and we'll get started. Explain to students that they will complete the stations as a group and assign each group a station to begin. Before beginning the circuit, review the safety considerations and the station activities with the students. Students will move to the first station and read the card. When the music starts, students perform the activities at each station for 45 seconds. The music is stopped to indicate when students should move to the next station. Students stop, point, and move. Students actively move in different ways between stations. Post the station cards around the activity area prior to the lesson. Be sure to spread the station cards out to minimize interference from other activities. Repeat the circuit as many times as necessary for the duration of the activity. We'll now cool down with the shootout. So stand up, push your chairs in, and let's cool down. Students move about, decreasing their locomotor actions every 20 seconds from a run to a jog, and finally a slow jog, gradually decreasing their heart rate. When students are slowly jogging, the teacher calls out, "Shoot out." Students find a partner and play a quick game of full-bodied rock, paper, scissors. The winner gets to lead their opponent in a 10 to 15 second strike. Then students resume their slow jog around the activity area until the teacher again calls out "Shootout," at which time students repeat their games of rock, paper, scissors, and stretch. Continue the sequence until students are cooled down. Following the cool down, have students conference with their groups regarding their success criteria identified at the start of the lesson.